साथ शालिनी के साथ। और आज की हमारी गेस्ट है मेरी डॉटर की 2 बचपन की फ्रेंड। और मैं इन लोग को बचपन से देख रही हूँ कैसे ग्रो होते हुए, और इन लोग में कितना सारा चेंजेस मैं देखी हूँ। तो मैं आप लोग के सामने डिस्कस कर रही हूँ कि बताऊँगी कि ये चेंजेस इन लोग में लाइफ में किस वजह से आया है। इनमें कॉन्फिडेंस भी बहुत बड़ा है, काफ़ी चेंजेस आया है मैं जब से देख रही हूँ। तो चलिए मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करवाती हूँ। प्रियांशी फ्रॉम काठमांडू, ये मुस्कान my daughter, and she's Alia from Delhi.
Hello.
Priyanshi, give your introduction.
Hi, I'm Priyanshi. I just finished my bachelor's in business administration. I'm going to London for my master's.
Great. And Muskan?
Hi, I'm Muskan. I'm Shalini's daughter. I just finished my Bachelor of Commerce from Melbourne. And oh my god, fudge. And I'm gonna go for my Masters in London next month in Digital Media Management.
And Alia?
Hi, I'm Alia. I'm from Delhi. I just finished my Bachelor's of Science from University of Toronto. I did my specialization in psychology.
तो प्रियांशी, तुम दोनों तीनों फ्रेंड्स लोग तो चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड हो, बोर्डिंग स्कूल। तो ये तीनों बोर्डिंग स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, वहाँ से फ्रेंडशिप स्टार्ट हुआ है?
Yeah, I mean, मैं grade 8 में Pathways World School गई थी and हमारे girls बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप बन गया। अभी some of our like our group में girl best friends, one is in Canada and one is in Germany, and but I'm really happy both of them are visiting me in Calcutta right now.
और अब प्रियांशी से पूछना चाहते हैं कि तुम बचपन में तो जो गर्ल्स लाइक 8, 9, 10 में सडनली तुम्हारा वो फिटनेस लेवल देख के कुछ चेंजेस आया है, तो व्हाट मोटिवेट यू टू गेट यू ऑप्टेड फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स और योर फिटनेस लाइक?
I think बचपन से I was very conscious about my body. इन दोनों ने देखा हुआ है कि एकदम
चबी गोल यस।
तो that really put me down. But कोविड ने मम्मा ने बहुत मुझे मोटिवेट किया, इन दोनों ने, आपका वीडियोस ने मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट किया। देन आई जस्ट थॉट वो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस देता है एंड इट ब्रिंग्स आउट द बेस्ट इन मी।
तो ये तो तुम जानती हो ना कि फिटनेस रहने से कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल थोड़ा ऊपर हो जाता है,
बहुत ज़्यादा, थोड़ा
फर्क पड़ता है ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा, हाँ। सो इफ़ यू लव योर बॉडी देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ।
एंड खुशी, व्हाट डू यू गेट, लाइक तुम किस चीज़ से बहुत मोटिवेट होती हो?
Me, I think I got really confident after जब मैं इंडिया से पहली बार बाहर अब्रॉड पढ़ने के लिए गई थी मेलबर्न, क्योंकि मैं मेलबर्न में किसी को नहीं जानती थी, मेरा कोई फैमिली नहीं था, वहाँ पर कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं था, तो मुझे सब कुछ स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करना था। तो आई थिंक द पर्सनैलिटी दैट आई हैड ओवर हियर, आई काइंड ऑफ लेफ्ट इट हियर एंड आई टुक अ न्यू मी ओवर देयर, एंड देन आई सॉ कि there's a whole another Muskan that I didn't even know, and I loved it. Like I realized that how much I love meeting new people and like making new friends and making new connections, and like हमारा तो judgment नहीं था, कोई जानता नहीं था। So I mean, I think going outside from my studies and bachelor's, it really gave me confidence and I'm on my own, and I think that's my biggest strength, that I became so independent, and I'm really grateful that I did get the opportunity कि मैं बाहर जाकर मैंने अपना studies complete किया।
That's great. And what about you, Alia?
I think what gives me confidence is my education. Ever since a kid, I was a little bit into the science stream, but not the hardcore science, biology, physics, or chemistry. My choice of science was social sciences, so psychology, sociology, and philosophy and such. So my studies in psychology and sociology gave me a lot of confidence because it helped me understand the world around me better. It helped me understand myself better and my place in the world. And just everything about, I think, education, not only in my particular field, but having education in general, किसी भी field में, किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में, it gives you confidence because it gives you the strength to hold up a conversation with people. It helps you to contribute to a conversation, and it just makes you feel knowledgeable, and then you have something to offer to the world, you have something to offer to your family, your friends, and to your employers in future. So it just feels good that I can contribute.
That's great. तो मैं एक और क्वेश्चन इन लोगों से पूछने वाली हूँ कि आप जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं आपस में, वो कितना आपस में बिल्ड अप करते हैं कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को बिल्ड करने में, या कोई स्ट्रेंथ लाइक गर्ल्स का सपोर्ट होते हैं ना, और
100%.
स्पेशली जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा। तो तुम लोग में ये क्या कॉमन था कि तुम लोग में क्या स्ट्रेंथ, क्या कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा था आपस में, लाइक बॉन्डिंग जब ग्रो हो रहा था एक साथ? तो
Honestly, I wouldn't say, अगर आप हम तीनों को अभी देखोगे हमारे में इतना कुछ कॉमन नहीं है except our love for food and traveling. We love that. But besides that, we are three very different people in terms of our personality, in terms of our fields that we've chosen in life. Everything that you can say is different about us. But I think being in that boarding situation and we didn't get to come home to our families. We got to come home to each other. So I think that really helped us bond. If there was anything happy, we could share with each other. If anything sad, we could share with each other. So just being there with each other, all in all, supporting each other. It's not always that we have to understand one another. जो मुझको पसंद है, it's not important कि प्रांशु
उसको
और
भी
मुस्कान
पसंद
को
है,
भी पसंद है.
exactly.
But the fact that they could understand and support
Yeah.
me in that is what that mattered. I'm not asking them to like everything I'm liking, but to respect. I think respect also played a very big role.
very good.
We were able to create a very safe space in our friendship. I think this is the one of the, this is my most safe space ever. Before going to anybody, I go to them because I know there's never even a hint of judgment कि हाँ तू ऐसे कैसे कर सकती थी. Not in the sense that they will not correct me. They always correct me, but with a very understanding feeling. They never let me feel that, I'm being judged for who I am. So always supporting the person I was, I am, and I'm becoming, and help me becoming a better version of myself is what gave me really, in this friendship, it gave me confidence to proceed in life and to know that I'm supported and I have people who I can rely on in my life. So that meant a lot for me.
Even I can see that the bonding girls have now, it's tremendous. मतलब मेरी भी कॉलेज की फ्रेंड्स है, स्कूल की फ्रेंड्स है, बट जो तुम लोग का जो बॉन्डिंग है, प्यार है ना, इन लोग का बर्थडे होता है ना 12 बजे रात में, हर एक कंट्री से जहाँ इसकी फ्रेंड्स हैं 6-7 फ्रेंड्स, वो बर्थडे विश 12 o'clock पूरा उस वीडियो कॉल पे कंबाइन। मैं अपने लाइफ में बहुत लोग का बॉन्डिंग देखी हूँ, लेकिन सीरियसली इन लोग का बॉन्डिंग ना, इट्स वेरी रेयर।
I'm honestly so grateful. I think going back to your first question, she asked about confidence. I think my girls add so much confidence in me, and I can say for all of us. Like, I think we're each other's support system. हम लोग friends भी नहीं हैं, like literally like sisters. Like अगर suppose किसी एक के साथ भी she's feeling low about herself or something is not going right in their life, the other girls, no matter what's happening in our life, will leave everything and will focus on that friend ki nahi, we want to listen to them, and that is very, I think, precious and important because मैंने 9 schools बदले. I met such different set of people, but I think the friendship group that I had with these girls, it is irreplaceable. Like it is very hard to find ऐसा bonding कि एक तो हमारे parents भी friends बन गए, not just their normal friends, they love each other so much. कोई भी trips होता है पहले साथ में होता था हम girls and parents का. Now तो they don't care कि girls रहने रहे, वो अपना चले जाते हैं.
बताओ कि तुम लोग आपस में झगड़ा होता है?
किसका नहीं होता? We fight, we argue, we make up. I mean that's what a friendship can never go very smooth sailing and all. I mean like we have our differences, but the best part of our friendship is we are not really चिल्ला गुल्ला करके गुस्सा हो रहा है, बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग में करते हैं. सपोज किसी एक को दूसरे के बारे में अच्छा नहीं लगा, so we'll sit privately and talk about our feeling कि this is what I didn't like and everything, so I just want to put it there, and the other person immediately apologizes and explains also कि why did they do it, and it's a very healthy conversation, I think, and that is the reason why our group is so glued together, and no bahar ka person come inside our group and create a mess. Like our group is so strong कि I don't think so bahar ka noise can create a problem in us.
I think that's the best thing, that we don't let it go out.
Yeah,
we
we
don't
don't
let
let
it
like rumors, so
Yeah.
we discuss it amongst ourselves. Like we तो people को और लोग के पास बात करते थे,
तुम लोग नहीं जाते?
जाने ही नहीं देते.
नहीं.
You have a problem with
नहीं.
someone, you talk it out.
बट
with
यहाँ
them.
पे हम लेडीज के साथ क्या होता है ना, जस्ट आई एम शेयरिंग माई थिंग वंस, लाइक हम लेडीज के साथ भी अगर कुछ हो गया आपस में, ग्रुप के अंदर घुस के ही लड़ाई हो जाएगा. they don't talk one to one like you guys do, na?
We talk one to one.
Yeah,
That's really good.
Then it becomes everyone
That's
ka
the
issue,
issue.
and then everyone is giving their opinion. That's not needed in my, I guess.
Yeah.
See, they are more mature than us.
I think there's so much love over here,
Yeah.
even if we are really angry with one another. The love supersedes it all.
Yeah.
Like इतना प्यार है, हम किसी के इन लोगों की बुराई किसी और के सामने कर ही नहीं
Oh,
सकते.
that is impossible.
Yeah, like,
Like,
to say
impossible.
one bad thing, if anybody even provokes me or keeps me at a gunpoint and says कि इन लोगों के बारे में कुछ बुरा बोला, मैं मार दो, but मैं बुरा नहीं बोल सकती. These are my girls. And I think because we love each other so much, no matter how difficult it gets, deep down we know that we can't lose this friendship. तो कभी immediately कभी नहीं बोला जाता, कभी बुरा लग जाता है कुछ बात, तो immediately नहीं बोला जाता. But it's never gotten to a point where you're like कि इतना बुरा लग गया, we want to end the friendship.
So respect है, जैसे आर्या ने बोला था, we have that respect for each other, so it never gets so dirty or we never scoop so low कि friendship ही नहीं रहे.
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा बात. मैं आपसे एक चीज़ और शेयर करूँगी इन लोग के बारे में. आलिया, शी इज 22, like of course सब एक ही एज की है, and she is getting married
Yes.
in October.
Yeah, 29th October the
This
onwards
year.
festivities start.
So मैं इनसे एक क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है कि she is only 22 and this is such a good age for getting married. Bubble and
Bubble Fudge, no.
No. Sorry for interruption. So Alia, how excited about your marriage? Tell me.
I'm very excited about my wedding. I'm very excited to marry my fiance. He's the person I love and I want to be with forever. So I'm obviously very excited to start that new chapter of my life.
That's good. And wish you very good luck, Alia, for your new, you know. So guys, अब जितने लोग देख रहे हैं, आलिया को आप एक आशीर्वाद दीजिए for her beautiful future with a new couple. I mean, जो शादी होने वाला है, जिससे
Thank you. Thank
bright
you so
future
much.
हो इसका. Wish
Means
you
a
very
lot.
good luck, Alia.
Thank you.
And very good luck, Muskan, for your new career start हो रहा है masters का.
Yeah.
And Priyanshi as well, yours also. Wish you very good luck, girls.
Thank you.
And stay together, grow together, and build good strength and love together.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Bye.
Bye.